The cyclone storm Fengal or southwest Bay of Bengal moved west-northwestwards with a speed of 13 kilometers per hour during past 6 hours, and it is lying about 120 kilometers east-northeast of Puducherry and 110 kilometers southeast of Chennai, and it is likely to move nearly westward direction and cross North Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry coast between Mahabalipuram and Karaikal. Near Puducherry by this today's evening as a cyclone storm with wind speeds reaching 70 to 80 kilometers per hour and gusting to 90 kilometers per hour during the evening of today. And under the influence of this system, apart from this Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, our adjoining districts of South Coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema is also likely to get a maximum impact. Particularly, this Nellore and Tirupati districts are warned for extremely heavy rainfall, and Chittoor and Annamaya districts of Rayalaseema has also given warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall for the next coming 24 hours. Apart from these districts, the other districts of South Coastal Andhra Pradesh like Prakasam district and Prakasam district and other districts, and in North Coastal Andhra Pradesh districts of West Godavari, Kakinada, Konisima, Anakapalli and Visakhapatnam. These districts were also forecasted for heavy rainfall at one or two places during the next 24 hours period. And from this system, maximum wind speeds are likely to concentrate near Nellore and Tirupati districts, and the speeds are expected to reach 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, and maximum it may be gusting to 70 kilometers per hour. And the remaining parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh, squally winds speed reaching 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. So entire under the influence of this entire fishermen community of Andhra Pradesh coast are warned not to venture into the sea, and also the port authorities also, particularly for Visakhapatnam port, we have given danger signal number 6, and for the remaining major ports, local caution signal number 3 was advised to hoist all those ports. And this rainfall activities are likely to continue tomorrow also to some districts of South Coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema with decreased rainfall intensity.